So hey guys, welcome to this new video, and in this one video I'm gonna show you how to create an AI chatbot in just 1 minute, literally using a new platform that is called chatbotbuilder.ai, okay, from Ryan Bagot. So it's quite simple. What I'm gonna be covering on this one piece of content will be how to create a simple AI text agent in less than a minute, literally. Then the second part would be what are the benefits of using this one app. Then the extra functions that you can add to your AI solution to add to it more value. And then the fourth point will be what integration it offers, okay, which channels you can connect it to. So we'll be comparing it with Voiceflow generally and Botpress, and here is Chatbot Builder, okay? And we'll be creating this. I'm gonna show you how to create this. That is a chatbot for this one golf company that is called Schlesinger, and well, it can conversate with you and all of that. Okay, so here we are in Chatbot Builder. You can just search for it here. I hope Chatbot Builder. You come to this one link. You sign up. You are probably going to need to sign up if you are new to this one app, but in my case, I'm gonna just log in. Okay, then once you're here, you'll see that you have all this screen. Okay, this will be the analytics part, in which you can have like more data about your connections and interactions, but it doesn't really matter now if you're uninitiated. Here in the inbox, you'll see the conversation your chatbot had with humans or with people, contacts, or whatever. Here you can delete the contact as well. And then here I want to compare first how it looks Voiceflow and Botpress. Okay, so if I be honest with you, in my beginnings I haven't introduced myself yet. Well, I am Agustin Desimone, Agustin, as you can see in the channel name. I'm a 16 years old from Argentina who has his own AI startup called Mind AI Solutions and Automations, in which we offer basically what the name says, automations, GPTs, and also AI chatbots or AI agents. Okay, so I've built, when I started with all this world with the AI automation agency world and space, I used to use at first Botpress, but I could never build something good because it was like too linear, and it had like this logic in if this happens, and like blocks and notes, and I couldn't have that liberty, that freedom of having dynamic responses. Then well, I tried Voiceflow because some friend of mine recommended it to me, but it was like kind of the same, but it was better. But what I discovered that was the best app was Chatbot Builder, and I want to say thanks to Ryan Bagot and all of the team, Wendy as well, for bringing us, and Kelly too, for bringing us this one incredible app for chatbot developments. So here we are. Well, you'll see that we'll have the integration part, in which has connections with OpenAI. They basically give to you a free API key, which can have an usage of 3 million tokens, so that's a lot. And here you have the prompt part, which is already completed for me. It's quite simple. You can copy this one and paste it on your own. Okay, there it is. And then you will see that, let's go back, that there is a function. Okay, so how can I create that function? First, you gotta understand that there is a flow part in which you can create basically this and this, but here in Chatbot Builder. Okay, so to show you how I built that one bot that I showed you at the beginning of this video, what I did was basically to create a scenario. Let's go back here so I can show you. But first, what I did, if we come to the settings part, you'll see that we'll have different channels or integrations. As for example, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Business Messages, web web chatbot, SMS, voice, Telegram, Viber, and email. Okay, so you can connect them easily. Okay, and then here you'll see that we have the Google Sheets part, which has a native connection. And then, well, you will have to press connect here, and as I have already connected my account, linked it, you'll have to click manage. You'll go to Google Sheets, you'll create a sheets. And why am I doing this? Well, I'm basically doing this to show you how to show and how to display products of a website on something like a cart, okay, like a gallery, that people, that users of your business or of your client business can explore. And how can I say this? Yeah, explore. Yeah, let's keep it simple. So you create a new sheet and you put it a name, and you copy this one link right there and you paste it here. Where is it? Here. You click add, you put it a name, the link, and that's it. I have this one. Okay, so why are we doing this? Again, because if we come here to the flows part, you will see that if we go and create a new flow, as for example show bags 2, you would realize that we'll have access to send message and all this logic. Okay, so if we click it, we'll have some options here as send text, image, card, carousel, I don't know how to pronounce it, get user data to get custom fields and all of that, send a video, GIF, typing to make it sound more natural, file, and actions. This one is like the best part. So we'll have different options, as for example transfer conversation to human, in which the administrators of this one account will know when your chatbot cannot answer the user questions, so you can edit the scenario there. But then we can cover that thing in another video maybe. So in the actions part, as you have connection and as you have linked in your Google Sheets, basically your Google Sheets connection, we'll have different actions here, and we'll just generate dynamic gallery. I'm gonna choose this one sheet right there, and what I basically did was that I came here to this one site, to Schlesinger, and I copied the title, the name of the product, then the description, the URL, and then the image URL, and then I came back here in Google Sheets and I pasted their name of the bag, description, image, and link. Okay, now with that done, what I did was, well, to put it a name on the columns, and once I was here in the flow, because this is a flow, I chose generate a dynamic gallery, go back Schlesinger, worksheet 1, because here it says 1, and then what I did was to choose image, here the name of the bag, and here the description. Okay, and then to add button, I chose buy me, open website, and link. Okay, so once you've done that, you click save. You'll press this one, so you have different options, but we'll go to actions. You click it again, add content, here more options, and cancel pending user input, so we don't reply twice. Then you hit publish, you'll save it, and then after that, if you have already copied the prompt, which is this one right here, off you go. Where is it? Here. You'll have this flow already created, and it will be turned on. Then what we'll do is go to settings, and we'll go to the integrations part, to the OpenAI. We'll click Auto GPT. You'll probably have this one, this part disconnected or turned off, so you'll hit this. I click cancel because it was already connected, and once you have that one plugged in, turned on, sorry, it will automatically respond ChatGPT with your prompt. Okay, so now as we already created the flow, now we have to create a function so our chatbot can call it. Okay, we'll click add, we'll add a name, and then we'll choose which flow is triggered. Okay, and now as I already have it here, if you want to check it, edit, well, name, show golf bags, what flow is triggered, that one as well. And now if we come back to the prompt, if you pay a little bit of attention, you would realize that there it says if the user is interested in buying the Schlesinger B Series original golf stand bag or the Schlesinger light stand bag, you activate the function called show golf bags. And now we choose it from here. You'll have this one, but you will put it down. Then you'll have more options to choose the model that you will be using of the LLMs from OpenAI. Then you have the temperature of how creative, in which you can regulate how creative your bot will be. And when it has more temperature, it will be as more creative as it can, and it will invent or imagine new information. So I don't recommend you to do it. And when it has less temperature, it will just focus more on the information that it has. Okay, and maximum output tokens, it will be how long your response will be, but you can tell the bot how long you wanted it to be here. As for example, answer shortly and concise, but now it doesn't matter. And you just click save. There it is. And now what we'll be doing is go to channels, web chatbot, manage. Okay, then you'll hit add, you'll add a name, and then what we'll be doing here is configure the chatbot for the website. We'll choose the website that we want to try on. Not all of them are able to, they don't enable you to use them, don't all of them. Then you click this, then you save it, and once you have it done, I haven't saved it yet because I already have one. Once you did it, you'll come to the marketing part and you will go to the bot simulator, and then what we'll be doing is paste this one link of right here of the original website. Then we get link. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna go to the inbox. There it is, and we'll hit paste. Okay, so now if we compare these two websites, one doesn't have a widget and one does. Okay, now we can chat with this bot. So hello, who are you? Okay, what is that thing? Like this one, business. Yes. What is Schlesinger? It is this, this, and this. It's a well-known sports equipment, brand new, that offers a variety of products. Yeah. Do you have any golf gloves or any bags? Golf bags. Now it will tell me about this one too. Oh, off you go. Yes. Now, as it could interpret, I don't know the word either, but it could understand that we wanted this, and it showed us that one same product. Now we can choose one of them, and if we click buy now, it will go to the exact product. Okay, so now let's go back again. Okay, now, well, there it is. The same applies for this one. It was red and now it's red. Okay. Basically, what you can do with this is to create chatbots smoothly, and you can offer demo. As I'm showing this chatbot for you, you can do this same thing to one of your clients. You can reach out to people through LinkedIn, through Fiverr, through creating YouTube content and show them what you can do for them. Okay, this was so simple chatbot that you can easily do in 10 minutes if you understand a little bit of the logic behind that. It's not too complicated, it's so simple, really. And that's it. Okay, so I hope it helped you and that you give it a try. So I want to give it a shout to Ryan and team, because they work so hard and they are so good. And that's it. Agustin, Agustin, Desimone, Desimone, Agustin Desimone in Argentinian, in Spanish. And I'm 16 years old, as I told you today. And I'm offering, one of the services that I'm offering is this one chatbot, but obviously more complex. I offer automations, GPTs, and you can ask me if you need something else. You can schedule a call with me. It's free, and we'll see how we can implement AI into your business. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and if it was useful for you, you can leave a comment down below. Okay, so see you in the next one, guys.